4-5 dispatch. You can put me in pursuit of a reckless driver. It's going to be a gray Nissan. We're going to be southbound 894 at Greenfield. Current lane 2.
I copy.
It looks like occupied 4 times. Dispatch on this time. Speed's going to be 118.
Copy, got a plate.
Not yet. Closing up the gap right now. Oh, crash. Send me extra units. It's going to be southbound 94, Greenfield. It looks like he's trying to take off still. It's going to be a female. Wisconsin plate. Boy, Adam Edward. Send me more additionals. He's still going southbound 894 Oklahoma. He literally just crashed a vehicle in lane 1. He's still going. He's slowing down now.
Copy, 894 southbound Oklahoma.
I could not get him. He literally just spin out in traffic. Southbound 94 Oklahoma Avenue. 4-5 dispatch if you want to patch me in. We're going to get off the freeway right now. We're going to go.
Copy that, 4-5 was another vehicle hit.
8 firm, lane 1. Alright, now we're going to go 103 in Oklahoma, going southbound 103.
Oh, that patrol squad's going to take the crash.
Positive that patrol squad is taking this crash?
I hope so. 3-4's got the crash. 963 copies. We're pulling up to Oklahoma now.
Ooh!
Copy. Driver's
Damn. Looks like we're like in a manufacturing plant. Still going southbound. We're going to be 103 in Ohio, southbound.
Milwaukee County Sheriff's in pursuit of a gray Nissan. One of a reckless vehicle, southbound Oklahoma from Ohio.
Looks like he's cornered right now. This could be a black male. Looks like an afro. Plays gonna be out of Wisconsin. Boy, Adam Edward. I got a partial plate. It looks like we're looking around at 101 and Ohio. Alright, now we're going eastbound on 101 in Ohio, going up back to Oklahoma right now. Alright, he's slowing down.
Oklahoma.
Show me your f***ing hands! Hands up now! Keep your hands up. Do not move, you understand? Okay. Hey, hands up! Hands up! Okay, hands up. 4-5, give me here. I have 103 in Oklahoma.
Copy 187.103 in Oklahoma.
The driver's out. I did not come out and get out. Hey, boss, stay on the ground for me, please. Stay on the ground. All the way down for me, please. Boss, all the way down. All the way down. All the way down. Hey, yes, sir. Legs down and everything.
He's right here, like Oklahoma to 103, so make a left. 963 to 45. You're on 103 in Oklahoma still, correct?
A firm, just shoot southbound. You'll literally see me.
Copy. Make a left.
West down northbound Mayfair Road from North Avenue.
Go!
These are 90 like traffic.
103, 103, 103. This is 99. Turn around.
Coming up to Burt 5. Toll sensor listed coming up to Burt 5 Center Street here.
Yep, right here.
He said turn south when we get to 103.
Still wrong lane of traffic. You get bogged down.
Right here, we turn.
Correct.
Yep.
There's no traffic on his side now. He's still wrong lane. I'm right lane.
963 is 23. Go past him,
Everybody, get your hands up! Put me in or out. Copy. Hands up!
Everybody hands up! Driver, slowly stand up and face away from us. Slowly stand up. All right, driver.
Hey, Monty, I got it. Driver, take a step to your left now. Keep going. Keep going. Stop. Now walk backwards towards the side of my voice. Keep going.
Keep backing up.
Demo.
Driver's side passenger, with your left hand, open the door from the outside. Left hand. 70 road and right light traffic from 124. Keep your hands up. Get out of the vehicle. Face away from us. Face away. Keep going. Keep going. Stop. Now walk backwards towards the sound of my voice. Keep going. Go. Keep going. Keep going. Stop right there.
I didn't do anything. I was literally on my phone in the back seat and I at my phone, please?
No.
I didn't do anything.
Get in. Have a seat.
Rear, the rear. Keep walking, keep your hands raised. Walk backwards to the sound of my voice. Keep walking. Front seat passenger, keep your hands raised.
I'm on your left. Stand by, we're taking the last one now. All 4 in custody, vehicle is clear. Any other units coming can slow down. Have them send a flatbed. There's pretty heavy damage to the front.
It's a purple iPhone.
Okay.
Can I please get
Just
it?
not right now, no.
I just want to tell you that I literally was telling him, like, I was on my phone. I didn't even know what was happening until we hit the car. I was on my phone. I was texting.
I know you were video streaming or taking a video of us too, right? Because you're the backseat passenger.
Well, I was
on the
one
driver's
of the
side.
backseat passengers. But I was like taking like a video of myself though, and then I was like kind of zoned out of the conversation, and then I realized what was happening, and I kept telling him, I'm like, just stop, and he wouldn't stop. And I was texting my brother to come get me because I'm like, I don't want to be a part of this. I had nothing to do with this.
Is that part on your video too?
No, because it cut out. I'm gonna be honest, I was drinking a little, so like I'm not really like paying attention to really what's going on behind me.
Sit tight.
Let me search the car real quick. So, from my understanding, it looks like there might be some recordings.
There's not.
There's not?
No.
I'm gonna have to keep
no
this.
evidence on there.
I'm gonna keep this for evidence. I'm gonna do a search warrant on your phone. Unless you want to prove me wrong.
I can prove you wrong.
Absolutely. It says Snapchat. So that's you in the car with
That's the last thing.
me behind you guys. So is it okay if I just save this?
Sure. Me personally, I'm like recording, taking videos of myself, like listening to the music, singing to the music, and that's what I'm doing.
Well, there's a cop behind you guys. You guys going 120 miles per hour.
I didn't notice that.
My concern part right here is that, you literally hit someone.
Yeah, I know.
How do
That's
you-
my concern too. I want to know if they're okay. I had no part to this, okay? I'm not encouraging it. I was discouraging it.
How so
As
were you-
telling him to pull over. The reason he pulled over is because I kept begging him to pull over. I felt
Forced-
scared.
forced-
I am not this type of person, okay? I can't control other people. I'm a teacher, okay? I have a lot to lose.
So it looks like you got a lot of recordings. Okay, you got 1, 2, 3.
Well, those are not from the...
You sure? Because that one looks like you're really terrified, and that one looks like you're really terrified. That one, it looks like you're looking at the back, looking trying to get
Okay,
a
those it is. I'm not talking about...
Not the bottom ones, no.
Yeah,
I'm just saying
whatever
there's
you
no
guys
thing.
need. I just want to get out of here.
All right, boss. So from just seeing the alcohol in the vehicle, man, I believe that you might be impaired. Okay, you're not even 21, right? Were you drinking today?
I have one. Honestly, I mean,
At what time?
2:30 is like a little mixed drink, like 5%.
5%. The whole thing?
About this.
What's up with the fleeing, man?
I guess I just panicked.
This is a simple ticket, man.
Yeah. Me, I thought I was already speeding. I just went to talk to the prosecutor the other day. I just got some tickets dropped, and I wasn't trying to get in no more trouble.
Man, you literally had 3 females, and one was your girlfriend, right?
And my baby mom.
Your baby mama in the vehicle, man, and you literally almost ended all their lives just from crashing into that one car, and you still continue fleeing. That's almost inhumane, to be honest. That sounds like not a human being.
No.
Are you a criminal?
Definitely not.
Well, that action was criminal. Okay, you're looking at felonies. Have you ever been arrested before?
Arrested?
For what?
Yes. Possession of paraphernalia. Like,
So is that what you're tossing out of the vehicle, or
no.
no?
Years ago when I was younger.
What do you do for a living?
Yeah, I'm trying to get a job. I had a job.
How's your license? Is it valid?
I have a license, yes. I just got pulled over 2 times for speeding.
I'm gonna put you in front of my squad, and we're gonna do a couple tests. Let's go in front real quick. So you had nothing to take? You only had 1 beer or whatever? One little...
Yeah, I'm shaking. I'm nervous.
Yeah, your eyes shaking a lot. Well, that's why you ran away. Okay, you may begin. Alrighty. Okay.
Are you ready? All right, deep breath. Blow. Good. You know what the legal limit in the state of Wisconsin is?
Isn't it like 0.01 or something like that?
0.08.
But for you, 0.
What? Yeah. Because you're 19, right? Okay. All right, what does that say? 0.16.
Let's have a seat.